Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends and you're still there and watching this video, thank you. Thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. For today's video, I will be doing my March Lashybox unboxing. As you guys can tell, I am really sick. I've been sick, I feel like it's been forever. My whole family got sick, and I think I'm the last one who is getting this flu. And I'm just trying to recover from it. I feel like we've been sick forever. But I wanted to do this unboxing because I do love my lashes, and I just can't help it, you guys. I go through and look through Instagram, all the beautiful looks that you guys create. It's just, you know, I'm jealous, so I want to get back into it. If you guys are not familiar with Lashybox, it is a false lash subscription. They have different variety of boxes that you can choose from. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or a pro, they have something for you. The box that I have is I believe the full-size box, which is $13.99 plus shipping, and I believe that they added another box, an XL box, so I'm sure you will be getting more products in your box. My box consists of 4 lashes, and also I get makeup products or makeup tools, as I mentioned on all of my unboxing, my Lashybox unboxing. My main goal with this box is the false lashes. If a product is calling for me, then I will try it for you guys, but if it's not, then I will put them away on a future giveaway. I do have a box with a few items already, and I also want to put lashes in there, so you guys can try that too. We do have a liquid highlighter in a loose glitter. I think I will be just using that to just highlight purposes, you know. I'm not gonna go crazy with it, so I am keeping those products. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and please do give this video a thumbs up. I'm trying so hard, you guys, to kind of speak up because I can't really hear myself. So yeah, if you guys are struggling with me, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my uploads. So if you guys want to see my March Lashybox, and then just keep on watching. Just a little note, I do have my 2 boys at home, so if you hear screaming or anything like that, you know, it's just them, so I'm sorry about that. So the first product that we have in this box is from Beauty Creation. I actually tried this product before, I just don't know where it's at the moment, but this is the Unicorn Tears Liquid Holographic Highlighter. So if you're into a liquid highlighter, then this is something that you are going to enjoy. It's really pretty. The bottle is a glass. You do have a dropper. You can apply this on the back of your hand and go with a sponge, but I love using my finger when it comes to a liquid highlighter. I feel like it melts the product into your finger, and you can apply it and dab it onto your skin really nicely. It just blends and melt really nice. We are just gonna add that onto the high points of our cheeks, maybe use it on the nose. I'm also gonna use this on the inner tear duct, and I'm gonna apply the the glitter pigment on top of it, just for the glitter pigment to have something to hold on to. A little tip, you guys, when you're working with liquid highlighter, if you are not sure how it will set, if excuse me, you guys, if it was set fast or if you have time to play with, then it's fine and you can just apply it directly to your skin. But with just something that you're not familiar with, I'm gonna go ahead and just dab some on the back of my hand. That is a lot. Guys, I know it looks like I have like a little separation right here, but I sprayed my setting powder. I sprayed a setting spray, and I didn't cover my eyes, and it just, you know, got on the shadows, and I tried to fix it, but it is what it is, you guys. Like I said, you make mistakes. So I'm gonna put some on the tip of my nose. You can definitely add some more if you want, but I want to keep it a little bit subtle like this. It's really pretty. You can still see that it is highlighting your cheeks. What was that? And also, when you know, when the light hits it, when I turn a certain way, it definitely catches the light, and it's just so gorgeous, you guys. So go ahead and move on to the next product in the box, which is a loose glitter pigment. This is from Naked Cosmetics. I have a few of this little container from Naked Cosmetics, different colors of course. So I'm glad that I have a silver one. We're just gonna go ahead and use this as a inner corner highlight. So I'm just gonna add a little bit right here of the liquid highlighter first. And I just dipped my brush into the loose glitter. This is our liquid highlighter, and then we have the shimmer right here. So my neighbor decided to cut their grass, so you're just gonna get a whole bunch of different noise in this video. Hopefully that doesn't bother you. So we have 4 lashes to try on today. We have 2 from Cara Beauty and 2 from Lashybox. So Lashybox does have their own lash line, so they always put 2 in the boxes, and then they add 2 different type of lashes from different brands. It's kind of nice to be introduced with different lash brands, so you can really find the lash, you know, the lash material that you like on the eyes, shape and stuff like that. This is why I love my box. So let's go ahead and start. We're gonna start with the Lashybox. I think I always do that, so we're gonna do that right now. This is our first lashes right here. This is from Lashybox, and this is their 3D silk lashes. The lashes that I've been getting from them are all 3D silk lashes. The length of the lashes are about the same from one end to the next. I've already pre-cut my lashes, so we are just gonna go through this video hopefully fast. You're probably gonna say, okay, you'd never say bad things about these lashes, you guys, unless the lashes are difficult to put on or the band doesn't bend my way, then I will say something bad or tell you how I feel about it. But so far I am in love with all the lashes that I try on for you guys. This is a shape that is long all the way around, you guys. I expressed myself liking let's see, the short to long lashes, but this complements my eyes too. I think it just opens up my eyes. It's really pretty. So let me know, you guys. You be the judge. You know what, I like all the lashes, so I'm just gonna leave it to you guys and let me know which one looks good on me and which one doesn't. And yeah, I really do appreciate your feedback. This is our first lashes on. What do you guys think? Like I said, I really appreciate your feedback and let me know which one looks good on me, but I really like this, you guys. This is our second lashes right here. So this is in the style Boss Babe. So this one right here is my favorite style. So you have these short to long lashes, and this one, it looks like some of the lashes are shorter than the other, so it gives you more wispiness, more flare to the lashes. This is also another 3D lashes from Lashybox. This is more on a natural style, and you can definitely wear this every day if you want to. If you wear lashes every day, then this is something that you can look into. It's really pretty, you guys. It's so comfortable on the eyes. So it's the first one. So far, all the lashes that's my dog, you guys. I'm telling you, I'm just surrounded with noise. So if you guys are into a more natural lashes, then check this style. What do you think about this one? Is it too natural for you, or do you need a more drama? So this is, you know, just a little option. You can have a daily lash. This is our first lashes from Cara Beauty. This is in the style A52, and this is their 3D Faux Mink lashes. So this is a faux mink, you guys. It's really pretty. So this one, it is a 3D lashes as well, but it's not as fluffy or flirty as the other ones. So this one is kind of just, you know, it's kind of flat, to be honest. So we have a little bit of shortness on the front, and it flares out to a long piece over here, so we like that. I take back my flat comment there, because this is definitely not a flat lashes, because look at this, it is so pretty. I can definitely cut a little more on the corner, but I'll do that later. Just a little tip, you guys, if your lashes, if you cut it too short, make sure that when you are cutting your lashes, keep that end piece that you cut, because you can always use that if it's too short, and you can just stack it on top. It just, you know, add more volume and your lashes won't be too short. So don't worry if you cut it too short. It's not the end of the world. We can fix that. So definitely keep that little piece that you cut at the end. I can definitely cut a lot more on this side right here. I feel like this one is a little longer than this one. Even this one I can cut a little bit more, so it would lift up my eyes even more. But I really enjoyed this style, you guys. But like I said, I want your opinion, so give it to me. Good or bad, give it to me. So yeah, I'm so sad that we are getting into our final lashes, but this one I think is gonna be my favorite. Just looking at it, you guys, I think it's gonna be my favorite. So let's get into that last pair. You guys, this lashes has everything that I love about lashes. It is just flirty, it's fluffy, it's wispy, it's 3D, we love that. And you have the short to long style, you guys. This lashes is just so pretty, you guys. I cannot wait to put this on. As you guys can see, it also curls up. It's just, it lifts your eyes just, oh, it's just gonna make your eyes really big, and it's just so pretty, you guys. I'm really excited for this one. This is in the style A4. I called it, you guys. This is definitely my favorite pair in the box this month. This just have everything that I love about lashes, and it's just all these lashes are easy to put on, you guys. Didn't give me problems or anything like that, but it just was so pretty, you guys. It's just I think I cut it perfectly too, so it's I'm so in love with this pair, you guys. I'm so in love with these lashes, you guys. Now that I put on the other side, it's just, it completes the look. It just gives so much drama, so much beauty to your eye look. Sadly, you guys, that is the last pair that we have in this month's box, but as you guys know, I enjoy my lashes. I love trying them on for you, so I get really excited when I get these monthly lashes. So if you are not subscribed to Lashybox yet and you love Lashybox, what are you doing with your life? So make sure you guys check them out. Everything that I have on my face, the products that I use, the eyeshadow palette that I use on the eyes, everything that I mentioned today, everything that I have on my face, you'll find it down there. So always check that out. You get, you know, many great things down there. So always check out the description below for information. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are not subscribed yet, please do so. And like always, I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.